There are seven surprising benefits that Lean Six Sigma offers that will help your organization. Lean Six Sigma that allows enterprise to use data to eliminate defects in processes has become one of the most powerful framework to deliver better products and services and be efficient at the same time. Now, this globally recognized process improvement methodology was first we have learned that introduced by Motorola in the early 80s and then popularized by GE, which has been found widespread acceptance among the quality management professional across the globe. Six Sigma relies on the usage of two submethodologies, which we learned on the DMAC and DMADV. Six Sigma relies both on DMAC and DMADV actually helps not only to improvise the process but also improve the existing process. So, implementing Six Sigma in any business offers insight to identify hidden problems and uncover root cause, equip senior management, that is the leadership, to get through the tough situation. It also provides proper metrics to reduce variability while executing processes to enable improvement in an ongoing business operation. However, there are seven surprising benefits that Lean Six Sigma offers that will help your organization in a really great manner. First, it enhances the customer satisfaction level, amplify the productivity, reducing project life cycle time, slash your operating cost, better time management. It helps in enterprise level strategic planning. The most important, highly satisfied employees with increased motivation.